Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to make objects not affected by light in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use the default scene, and we have the cube, the object, and the light here. Now I put the cube upwards. I move upwards to 1. And then I want to add the plan. So go to Add, Merge, and Plan, and press S to move cursor to enlarge it. So we can go to switch on the render preview. So we can see that the light is affecting to the objects. Now we can select the light and go to Object Properties, and then go down to Shading over here, and open light linking and shadow linking. And we can create a new light linking, and we can click new to create a shadow linking. Next, we can go to the outliner. We can click and drag the object into the light linking. So we can see that the light is affecting to the cube, but it is not affecting to the plan. I suggest to add the plan, and then both of the objects are affected. If we want to make the cube not affected by the light, we can uncheck the box of the cube. So we can see that the light is not affecting to the cube. So if we uncheck the box to the plan, we don't have the lights on the plan. So we can activate. Next, if we want to eliminate the shadow, we can add the cube here and add the plan here. So if we want to remove the shadow of the cube, we can uncheck the box for the cube. At the center, we can uncheck the box of the cube, so the cube doesn't have the light and also doesn't have the shadow. So this is how we can make objects not affected by light in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.